Hello, my sewing friends. This is Friday Sews. I'm Jen, and this isn't my sewing room. Nope, this is my daughter Emma's new apartment, and it's very empty. But her stuff is coming on Monday, so we have spent the last week driving from Minneapolis all the way down to Chicago, to Indianapolis, to Ohio, where my parents live, and then finally we got down here yesterday. So yeah, I'm in Virginia, and I got to have lunch today with Andra from Andra Makes.
It's sunny out here and windy. It is, and it's Friday, and
Yay!
we had to show you. We both drove over and met each other. I'm in at my kid's house, and we met in the middle.
Yay!
At this space thing. It was so fun. It was really fun. So if you can get together with your sewing buddies whenever you can, you need to make that happen because it is so worth it.
Definitely
I love this woman. I love her.
Love you too.
Yeah.
I really count myself as not just fortunate, but absolutely blessed to know her. She is an extraordinary woman. Wow. She brought me a baby gift for the little one that my oldest daughter is expecting, and for whom we are having a baby shower tomorrow. So it's very late tonight, and I've got to go to bed because I need to get up tomorrow and do all the food. So yeah, that'll be fun. I don't really have any sewing to talk about other than to show you that I have a very big bag of fabric that I got in Minneapolis. If you watch Sharon from Sharon Sews, you will know that she often talks about a place called S.R. Harris. And so here's a sneak peek of some things. I went there and I walked in thinking, I don't need any more fabric. I'm not gonna buy fabric. Famous last words. Don't ever do that. Just admit that you're gonna buy fabric. Of course you are. So I have a lot to show you when I get home. Not sure when that's gonna be because number one, I'm scheduled to go home on Monday, but I'm not going home. I'm going to Orlando, and then Trish is going to drive over and pick me up. She lives not very far from the Kennedy Space Center, and the Artemis rocket is scheduled to launch on Tuesday. So I will fly in Monday evening, and she's gonna pick me up. We'll go and we'll watch the launch, and then she's coming to see me for a couple of days. I will be so glad to be home. And that could change because there's a hurricane coming through Florida. Oh, yay. So I may end up just going straight home because if the hurricane is going to threaten the launch, the rocket won't launch. And so as much as I love Trish, I will come up again when the rocket launches and see it then. Anyway, so that's what's going on with me this week. Lots and lots of life and just a little bit of fabric. I'm off to get some Simplicity patterns on Sunday. They're on sale this weekend at Joann's. And I saw some baby patterns that I want to get. So I'm gonna try and hop over there. I was gonna do that tonight, but we just got too tired. It's been a long day. So that's it for Friday Sews, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see a playlist of my Friday Sews where I actually talk about sewing most of the time, check right over here. And don't forget to do justice, love mercy, and walk humbly with your God. Have a good weekend.